Big news for the iPhone fans, Apple just rolled out new features for the latest update before the launch of a new iPhone in September. So let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple fans will be excited to know that the company has finalized a list of new features for their latest update that would be iOS26 Beta 6. Not only these updates are for the phone, but iPad, Apple Watch, Apple TV, and MacBooks as well. But what are those features? Well, Apple has announced that they will be adding more ringtones. It's not one or two, but 6 new variants of the Reflection tune, especially the Dreamer one. And this has received enthusiastic reviews from social media as well. The last version of the software had swipe gesture direction. Apple has reverted to the previous scroll direction in Beta 6 after facing backlash, which shows that the company actually listens to its users. Though Apple has not made any significant changes in this version, but there are very notable differences that the users will feel. This includes faster app switching, changes camera app interface, new animation while launching apps, and the best part, liquid glass update. This will redefine the readability and enhance the color dispersion for users moving between the tabs. Those are some interesting features to look forward to. But these were not all. Apple users will also experience a new startup onboarding process that highlights the liquid glass design and other iOS 26 features, such as dark and clear icons and redesigned app interfaces. The new features are enough to intrigue all Apple users and make them look forward to it. What intrigued you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.